For thousands of years, empires have risen and fallen, currencies have vanished, and massive economies have turned to dust. But through every war, hyperinflation, and global collapse, one thing remained untouched: gold. Today, as you watch this, a silent war is happening behind the closed doors of the world's most powerful institutions. Central banks are quietly buying gold at rates we haven't seen in decades. Why is the world's smartest money running away from paper currencies and back to this yellow metal? What do they know about the future of the global financial system that you don't? In this video, we break down the hidden truth behind the gold market, from how it secretly dictates global power to the terrifying truth about price manipulation, and what the upcoming financial shift means for your money. Welcome to the secret battle for gold. Make sure to subscribe because what we are about to uncover changes everything. To understand the present, we must look at the foundation. For generations, paper money was not just paper, it was a receipt. If you held a US dollar in 1950, that paper guaranteed that you owned a specific amount of real gold sitting in Fort Knox. This was known as the gold standard. But on August 15, 1971, facing heavy debt changed, President Richard Nixon made a shocking announcement. With a single stroke of a pen, the global financial system shifted from hard money to fiat money currency backed by nothing but the slow, unstoppable death spiral has been. Governments realized they could print infinite amounts of money to cover their debts. But here is the catch. You can print trillions of dollars, euros, or yen out of thin air, but you cannot print gold. It requires heavy machinery, human labor, and deep mining. It has intrinsic scarcity. This scarcity is why gold is the essential shield cash-preserving inflation destroys the market. If gold is so valuable, why doesn't its price just skyrocket in a straight line? The answer lies in the futures market and institutional manipulation. For every single ounce of real, physical gold sitting in a vault, there are hundreds of ounces of paper gold traded on digital exchanges like the COMEX. Large bullion banks can manipulate the price by selling massive amounts of paper gold, contracts in seconds, contracts they don't actually physically own. This creates artificial supply, driving the price down when it benefits them. But look closely at what these institutions do, not what they say. While mainstream media often tells retail investors that gold is a dead asset, central banks are doing the exact opposite in secret. Over the past few years, we have witnessed a massive geopolitical shift. Eastern central banks are aggressively accumulating physical gold and